Yeah, I have a lot of mixed feelings about stepping down.
We begin tonight with the end of an era. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Sherry Falk.
I'm Guy Rawlings. Jefferson County's top doctor is preparing to say farewell. Longtime health officer Dr. Mark Wilson will retire tomorrow. WVTM 13's Chip Scarborough sat down with him today to talk about the challenges he faced on the job, including the COVID pandemic.
Yeah, I've been through a lot. We have been through a lot.
Dr. Mark Wilson has served as head of the Jefferson County Department of Health since 2011. He says there have been a lot of accomplishments over the last 12 years, but he says there have been some rough spots too.
When I first got to the health department was under financial threat, under some political threat, partly related to the county's situation with bankruptcy, impending bankruptcy.
Wilson says he also struggled with being in an administrative position for the first time. Prior to becoming health officer, Dr. Wilson spent 20 years at Birmingham's Cooper Green Hospital.
I made a lot of mistakes and had to learn some things the hard way. But I feel good about where we are right now as the health department.
Dr. Wilson says surely there were plenty of tough times during his 12 years as health officer here in Jefferson County, but he says no time was as difficult as the COVID-19 pandemic.
I had to make some very tough decisions, and there's some people that disagree with some of the decisions I made. I hope that they understand that I made decisions that I thought were in the best interest of our community, and because I really care about our community.
Wilson is referring to his decision to close all non-essential businesses in the county at the start of the pandemic, a move that resulted in some strong pushback from some in the business community.
I am a people pleaser. I don't like it when people are upset with me.
But that didn't keep him from shying away from tough topics like gun violence. Dr. Wilson says homicide is the #1 cause of death for young black men, something he calls a major public health issue. Wilson worked with community partners to develop a hospital-based violence intervention program.
Evidence-based program that is meant to help intervene in the lives of people that have been shot and are hospitalized and then survive.
As Wilson steps away from the health department, he plans to spend more time with his family while still practicing medicine on occasion. In Jefferson County, Chip Scarborough, WVTM 13.